How to do ID.me verification. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the ways to do verification on ID.me. In order to do this procedure, first of all, make sure that the device is connected to an internet service. And then to begin with, go ahead and open up a browser or an application. And then on the web address bar, type in shop.id.me, and that's going to take you to this page where you have to go ahead and log in into your account. Once you're logged in, go ahead and tap the profile icon from the top right hand side and go to my account section. As you do that, it's going to take you to this page. So first thing, if you wish to verify your identity, then you can just go ahead and select manage ID located right at the bottom. Then you can select from here, and right on this page you need to go ahead and select that, and accordingly you need to go ahead and add the ID. As you click on it, and then a pop-up menu appears right in front of your screen. And then you can start with the verification process. After that, what else you can do is, once you've completed this step, you can also go to sign in and security, and right on this page you can go ahead and set up the passkey, maybe two-factor authentication, code generator, and all that. That is also the procedure for verification. So that's how you can do ID.me verification. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.